Do you know how to use switch function or switch formula in Microsoft Excel? In this video, we'll show you how to use the switch function using different examples along with a comparison between switch, ifs and lookup, mainly XLOOKUP and a combination of switch and VLOOKUP. Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. I would love to get your feedback in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Hit the subscribe and bell button to get more exciting videos like this and share with your friends. Let's dive in. Example 1 shows you a score in each subject along with the results, which will be either fail, pass or great based on numbers 1, 2 or 3. Let's start with a simple if formula. We'll go for if C6 is 1, then it's fail. Since we only have two options in the if statement and we need 3, so we are going to use nested if, which is we'll go for another if statement where if C6 is 2, then it's pass, otherwise great. We don't need another statement because if it's not 1 or 2, then it will be 3. Let's copy down and you can see for 1 it's fail, for 2 it's pass and for 3 it's great. Let's go for ifs formula where we start with if C6 is 1 then fail, if C6 is 2 then pass, if C6 is 3 then great. Now let's go for the switch formula where you type switch, select the expression which is C6, then a comma. If it's 1, we'll type as 1, then a comma, then we type what we need as output which is fail. Again comma, we type the second statement which is 2, then comma, then go for pass, and in the same way we type 3, comma, then great. We can close the bracket and complete the formula, or we can type a comma again and type something like question mark, which will be the output in case any of criteria is not met. Let's copy paste. Let's go for XLOOKUP. We'll compare the formulas later. We type XLOOKUP, select the lookup values as C6, lookup array as this and log the cells, return array as this and log the cells. Copy paste. To inline this with the switch formula, let's type a question mark if no result is found. Let's change the score to 4 and see what we get. Here in switch and XLOOKUP we got a question mark because we added an additional statement. You can see each formula below for the first row. In this example, I think XLOOKUP did great and we rate it as 1 means best. Second is switch and third and fourth are ifs and if. You can clearly see the benefit of switch over if or ifs, and it depends on the use. Sometimes you cannot use one while the other time you can get better results with one than the other. Let's move to second example. Here in this box on the left, we have to get the discount from the orange box from the left. We use the switch function. First we write the formula and start with C7, multiply with switch and select B7. Now if it's apple, then it's 0.03 or 3%. If it's banana, then it's 4% and so on. Copy down and done. For XLOOKUP, we do like this. And again seems the winner is XLOOKUP because of its simplicity. In the case of right side box, we don't have simple criteria. Let's use switch like we did for apple. It's 80. For banana, it's C7 multiplied by 4% and so on. In this case, switch was the winner because we cannot use XLOOKUP. In third example, we need a discount here, but it depends on the quantity sold, but it's different for each fruit. For example, for apple, we have 10% discount for quantities over 25 and so on. So let's start with VLOOKUP and select the lookup value as C7. In the case of table array, let's use the switch function where the expression is B7, and for apple value 1, we select apple's table like this, and for value 2, we select like this, and so on. And we close the switch function and write 2 as column index number because the discount is in second column in each case. We go approximate match and copy down. You can see the quantity versus fruit percentage in each case, and that's awesome. Let's go for fourth example. We have grades based on marks. We use the IFS formula. If C7 is less than 40, then F. If C7 is less than 50, then C, and so on. Let's copy down, and there we go. In the switch function, let's try a statement. The expression is C7 and we need greater than sign and 70, then A. It gives an error because I wanted to show you that we cannot concatenate the logic with numbers or text in the switch function. Alternatively, we can use it like this. We type true as an expression because it won't work the other way. We simply type all possibilities like we did in the IFS formula and we get the results. Here, well, I think IFS is better because not everyone knows if you can use true in expression in the switch function. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.